Hi guys, it's Chris. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a fantastic day so far. This guys is for you. I totally toned down my sparkly makeup and decided, you know what, let me just give him at least something. Okay, it is, yeah, all the problems I'm having, I am still getting what I'm supposed to be getting, so I don't know what is going on. This is the Boxycharm box that comes every month. It's like $30, but then you have tax on it, so I don't know the exact amount, but this is $30 for the box. So let's get right in. I'm almost afraid. This is what it looks like. I am terrible because I don't know who that is. I don't know if I'm supposed to or doesn't say who she is. So I don't know. Let's see if they got the little thing in here. Ooh, I don't want to look. It's telling me what's in the box. I don't want to look. But oh, they did so good last time. There are no prices on here, so I can't tell you that. Although I can tell you that, let's go, $3.18, the Dermalect capsule drops. I don't know. 4.1 through 4.3, it's build your box and add-ons. So from that, that's all I can tell you. Okay. They have this. Okay, they also have this. Okay, the first thing I see is brushes. I guess we always need brushes. These look revamped. They're Miss Glam. Let's take a look at them because I love Miss Glam. In the past, I have like some eyeshadow brushes they used to send out in the Ipsy bag. Holy crap, Batman. I can't seem to... I know that the color they're saying is supposed to be special, maybe. Why can't I? Oh, here we go. Okay. This is what we've got. Let me show them to you this way. It looks like we have a blending brush, a contour and bronzing brush, and what is this one? A round blusher. So, I don't know, you know, they always do the cute little jewels in them. So there's 3 brushes here. I don't know if I'm going to keep them. They might go in a giveaway, although I did destroy what they came in. So, sorry about that. Okay, then the next thing I see is Defiance Beauty. It is an Infinity Liquid Eyeliner. I'm not going to open this because I'm not going to keep it. It is a vegan formula and it's free of a whole bunch of stuff. You guys know I don't normally use the liquid eyeliners. I know that Kathy does, and I have a bunch of them, so this is going to go in a giveaway. Then I have Yensa. It's been a while since I saw that. Oh, wow. Maybe that's a little bit better. It is a Super Serum Silk Concealer. You guys, I'm into concealer, so... There's the crap, man. I wonder if I can use the no. Oh, okay, I was able to open it. Yippee, skippy. Alright. This is what it looks like. Dang, it still looks like you can't see it. Let me, since I am going to use this, it is light 1. Yeah, light 1. That's well, it looks kind of dark, but Ooh, okay, yeah. this one might be kind of interesting to, let me just put this down. This one might be kind of interesting. Okay. Let's see what happens. I don't know. I mean, let me show you it sheared out. That's it sheared out right here. So, I don't know. I'm going to try it. Most definitely. So, I'm going to put that on. This is giveaway side. This is keep side. And I need something to wipe my finger off. Okay, next I see, oh, this is gorgeous. It's Miss Fame, I think. I don't know if y'all have ever seen this before. I don't know what it is, but it's beautiful packaging. But I hate I shouldn't even say anything. I'm not into these plastic covers, but the packaging is stunning on this. I mean, this is the front, this is the back. Comment down below if you've ever heard of, let me just put this a little bit up, Miss Fame. So I'm going to open it. It's magnetic. That's nice. Okay, so this is, I'm guessing, Blush Duo. Let me see if I can, there you go. It's pretty. I'm definitely going to try this whole, you know what, it might, well, let me look at the last thing, because it might say, even though it doesn't give the amounts, it might give what it is. Let's see. Oh, you can't be serious. It's not in here. It shows everything else. But where's the Duo? And it's not on the other side either. Okay, I am just, let me just look real quick again. Because there is some, it's a blush series. Let me see if you can see that. It says blush on there. Okay, so I'm for sure going to try that. That's, oh my gosh, we're entering the Twilight Zone. That is like 2 things I want to keep. Okay, the last thing in here is a Wander Beauty palette. Okay. I used to give these to Kathy because she loves Wander Beauty. Okay, well, let me hold on to my opinion once I see it. This is the palette. Let me see. There, you can see. My immediate attention goes to these 2 palettes, or to these 2 shades right here. The rest of the palette is, you know, typical. I don't know. I'm not sure about this one because I'm really interested in the that looks like green. It's called Noreen, and then the one on bottom, let me see if you can see it. It shifts, and it does look, let's see if you can see. Okay, there. It's not showing up real good, but it does shift. It comes from a yellow, gold, and I don't know what that color is. This is a trichrome, I guess you'd call it. And the others don't shift, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sparkly. No, 1, 2, 3. There's 5 sparkly, and nope, 6. I'm sorry. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. I don't know. I can't say to you guys one way or the other if I'm going to keep. I haven't touched anything in the palette. I don't, you know. So this might be in a giveaway. But that green, I'm still real interested in the green. So, alright, that is it for the Boxycharm box. There's just two things I need to go over with you real quick. that I have on my face that I tried for the first time. I wanted to show you the palette because this is a new one. It's been sitting in my box to do, and I wanted to get it out of the way. It's from Morphe, and it's a Meredith Duxbury collaboration, and this is it. Now I wanted to show you that only from my inner corner did I even invade any of the sparkles, but I used all the mattes to create, you know, my eyeshadow, and I wanted to make sure I told you that. They had some fallout. Other than that, there's nothing wrong with this palette. It's just really kind of not my thing, but I've used it, so, you know, I guess I have to use it. This came in the Ipsy bag. This is the Kosas, is it Kosas? The Kosas concealer. Okay, on me it looked like it was yellow. I was thinking, oh crap, it's going to be awful. But when I show you my look, you'll see that I was able to, when I blended it out, it started getting more and more not yellow, because it doesn't say this has yellow overtones, I don't think. Like I can see that to tell you. I can't. But I'm going to use this again and see what happens. The other thing I did on the foundation, I don't know if I did a good enough job. I would like for you guys to tell me, because you remember when I got the replacement e.l.f., it was too light. I put in a couple of drops of this Infallible L'Oreal and mix them together, and that's what I'm wearing. So if it looks okay, let me know, and then I've got my good combo. Or maybe I dropped it. Maybe that would be a good combo, and we can wear it. I think that was all I wanted to tell you about. I just had a couple of things, and thank you guys for your kind comments for John's picking out all my makeup. It's a lot from you guys. I mean, a lot of people, and I am so grateful. I have shared all of it with him, and he has come in here with me and watched part of it. It's hard for him to, he'll probably watch the rest of it eventually, but right now he did not. He did look at your comments though, and I just wanted to let you know. Thank you so much. You have no idea how much it means. Anyway, wherever you are, I hope you are well. Take care, have some fun, and stay safe. Watch your surroundings, you guys know. And I will see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Oh, before I go, I do want to say I'm usually gripey about Boxycharm, but I actually think this was a good box this month. So that's me. Bye, guys. Hi guys, a side note, I forgot to show you my look in case you do like the palette. So I'm gonna have to, it's gonna be kind of weird because I'm holding the camera. So here it is. Now, let me move it up a little bit. Shadows were easy and didn't have any problem. So, there you go. Have a good